How to view like post on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon right here and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to search for your activity right here. And now you will be able to see or view every interaction that you have made on this account. Now you just have to choose likes right here and click on that. And now you will be able to see or view every post that you have liked on Instagram. You can sort it by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also filter it by date and every date range that it has, or even the content type that it has. Now, in order for you to unlike the post on Instagram, all you have to do is to click on select and select every post that you have liked. And then you can just click on unlike and it will automatically unlike the post on Instagram.